backset mo, mga 2-3 feet behind you lang. Pero ito, all the way to the other side. 16-19. Gervasio winds it. Free ball for Ateneo. Let's see what they'll do. Cara. Quick to Gretchen.
That's a smart move coming from Ateneo. Even if it's a quick hit, ginawang be quick. So at least medyo naguluhan naman ng konti ang blockers ng Adamson.
Mas medyo cut shot yung finish ni Gretchen. Kinig muna tayo dito sa Adamson.
Tingnan ninyo yung bola. Ha? Yung bola. Okay? Okay? Oo. Agilapin ninyo sa blocking.
Aba mo ng konti pagka-F lang.
Ha? Nakuha mo na yun. Oo. Tingin-tingin nyo sa bola. Saan nandun yung bola? Ha? Sunod. Diba? Sayang yung service. Ha? Pagano?
Again, in the interest of people trying to learn the game, Ozzy, we always do this for them. Be quick, explain para sa ating mga manonood.
Okay, be quick is in the middle portion of the net. Diba ang A-quick mo nasa middle? Ang B-quick mas malayo ng konti. So, yun din yung running mo patalikod. It's in that distance. Okay, at mas mahirap yan. At least naka-decoy siya ng isang naka-loko siya ng isang blocker from Adamson. And with that touch shot, she was able to put that ball in. I was talking about Gretchen Hall
earlier. Pero ngayon, nakabawi ng puntos. Paul Soriano was able to get that point. Jennifer Hiponia coming in. One of their service specialists. They need a sure serve at 20-17. Ateneo making a little bit of a chase here. Adamson trying to pocket the first set. Another combination play.
Yeah, this time, again, now, Ateneo, a better job trying to be unpredictable. Kasi kanina, panay open hits because of poor reception. Now, because of better reception, they can run their plays and score the point.
Started with that reception ni Lazaro. Back set, Angela, full steam on that approach.
Block went out, point for Adamson.
Nakapakyat yung kamay doon ng blocker.
Yeah, look at the power behind the spike of painting.
Kaya kailangan pag ipa-block mo si Angela, kailangan pababa talaga yung block niya.
Offensive blocking.
Yes, offensive blocking. Jesus again. Catalano, all the way to Zapanta, the other side.
That's a strong one from Mayet Zapanta. Time out, Ateneo Lady Eagles.
3 points away from the first set. Let's listen to Ateneo who are behind.
Bilisan nyo ng kaunti. Kasi ba sinabi ko, pag bumablock, huwag nyo ngayon overextend. Hindi naman sila malalaki. Hindi mo kailangan iganon yung kamay mo ng todo-todo. Talagang dito tatama. Kung ito lang ang level ng bola, yan lang ang block mo. Hindi mo igaganyan yan, no? Hindi mo mabablock talaga yan. Dadaplis at dadaplis lang din yan. Huwag nyo palakihin, no? At tataas naman, na-check. Hindi naman kalakihan yung pumapalo.
Well, that's the right way to, what Coach Roger is saying is the right way to block. Hindi lang basta talon ng talon, ano? Because pag lumangpas yung kamay mo sa net, usually ang blocking kasi you have to mold your fingers yung dun sa ball. So you parang you sort of catch it, pero in one motion. So pag tinaas mo na ng todo-todo yan, yun ang mangyayari, padadapisin lang sa'yo. They will just use your arm para katulad ng ginawa ni Angela.
Yes. Not lucky there.
Outside.
At saka yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman parang Lasal o UST yung kalaban nyo.
Yes, that's why. You have to
patong
reach
na patong.
out, full stretch.
Yes.
Diba?
Those are the intricacies of the game that I love to listen to sometimes because, you know, you try to play the game the right way from one team to another. It's very different. Your adjustments are very different.
Siyempre, you have your kumbaga, yung mechanics of your basic skills. But then again, it's situational. So you have to adjust. And then you learn that through the years. Siyempre, a lot of playing involved.
And for these girls, Ferrer, Ho, Gervasio, on their third year. Cara, of course, veterano na ng Ateneo. Back set to Gretchen. In the middle. That's still good.
Still safe.
Kahit tumama pa sa mukha.
That's going to be way out.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, kung hindi perfect, hirap pa siya mag-adjust.
That's right. These are yung mga things that needs honing, especially for a rookie. But Credit Lazaro again,
Yes.
not giving up on that third ball.
20, serving 23. Not giving away this set yet. Bad reception for Binting. Free ball for Ateneo. Bad reception by Cara. De Jesus again on the second ball. Chance for Ateneo here. They open up to Ella. Again, the girl is not shy. She's the equivalent of Zapanta on the other side.
But you know, when Jam gives you that kind of set, you have to respond with a point. You just have to.
Matapang talaga to. Alam mo, may analogy yan sa basketball. Ito yung mga si De Jesus yung parang sugod lang na sugod. Pride lang na pride.
Para-para.
Hindi mo bara-bara, pero matapang talaga.
But you want that.
Yes. Here she goes again. A collision in the net between Pineda and De Jesus. It's always scary. Two athletes scary.
Timeout, Adamson, Lady Falcons.
Eto, mabol natin na yun.
Diba? Dapat tumali ka. Hindi ka umabot, iutot mo na lang. Hindi yung hataw na hataw. Puro labas naman yan. Ha?
Tingnan mo, napunta doon.
Tingnan mo yan. Kita mo naman yan eh.
Hardball mo na po yun.
Nakita ninyo, sinabi ko sa inyo, bantayan mo si De Jesus. Maliit lang yun. Malakas ang loob eh. Ha? Okay? Come on.
Well, validated by who else but the authority.
Oh, what intimidation brings.
Alam niya, matapang.
On your first year, meron na kagad some form of intimidation to the opponent. That's what you like.
Exactly what I think Ateneo needs. A player who's really gutsy. Pineda. Gutsy one herself.
Yes, on the other side.
It's set point for the Lady Falcons.
They are at set point here. Great timeout by Coach Dulce to settle the girls, huh?
Serving for the set, Jam
Pascual now in front. And De Jesus. Again. Great reception. And that's out. Is it out? It is.
That's
No
going
touch.
to be out.
And that means first set goes to the Lady Falcons.
For the Adamson Lady Falcons.
25-22. Ateneo making a chase towards the end, but just not enough. Taking a break. We'll be back with second set action.